Send a little bit of oil right there. Boop. Boop. Okay. Now we're gonna see if we can make sure that piston isn't rusty. Okay. Oh, Daisy. She's okay. She's okay. She's a tough old girl. It was leaking, so I might need to let me see. We're looking okay, but I don't know if this is coming out or not. Looks like we're good though. Stop dropping that, boy.
I'm not like you make a family fun video with my dick in it.
Bodie. I'll get these metal wheels unrusted. Super cool airplane. I love this thing. Yeah, we'll go get all this rust off. And then we got the Gesto on it. We can clean that up with some cleaner. Oh yeah, we're gonna get this thing nice and shiny. And then tomorrow, we will see if it'll start. Nitro engines never die until they go pop and pretty much shatter everything. But that's besides the point. Always fixable. I love the smell of WD-40. I'll get it better with Windex, but I don't got any on me right now. This is just temporarily. I gotta redo some of the covering, but that's okay. Get some of that dusty off.
Smells good, not gonna lie.
WD-40 smells great, but this is glass cleaner and I don't like the smell of this stuff. Bodie.
What?
I'm trying to film a video here. I don't know if this is still recording. Yeah, it is. Good.
Right.
Can't be off.
Ow, I hit my head on the dick.
Okay, we're gonna do some WD-40, clean the engine off.
Yeah. Okay.
It's not rust.
Money.